Alright guys, I just got home and look what's going on. Already freaking raining again.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
But I do have the knock sensors, and I broke the old ones loose, so that was kind of scary. I've heard stories about that. But really, there goes everything fell down. But I got new knock sensors and the wires. I can't have my expensive camera out here in the rain, so I'm gonna see how far I get. Maybe the rain will stop. We'll turn y'all back on. I got all this cleaned up last night. Looks pretty good. I got the intake cleaned up, so we'll keep it moving. Alright, I got the new knock sensors in. Here's the old ones. Golly, that's crazy. And I also put some never sees on there. Now I'm gonna run the new wires. Okay, got them snugged up. Now we're gonna torque them down. It's at 15 foot-pounds on mine. Hope that's right. Alright, it popped. That's both of them. So 15 foot-pounds. Now let's get the wires hooked up. Where'd I put them? Yeah, we'll get them hooked up. Alright, got them plugged up. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on just on the edges, kind of help it out. And I ain't got no help today, guys, so I'm just showing y'all clips. So I only got one hand. I will set the tripod up, but ain't no telling what this rain gonna do. But anyways, let me get this grease on there right. I can't do this and do the camera. Got them in there. Now we're gonna put some loom on there and tape them up real good down through here, and then on to the intake. Alright, I got that knocked out. Who else hates doing wire loom? Golly, I think we all do. But anyways, I got that knocked out, so it's looking good right there. And now on to the next. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna cut them ends off, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna cut them off. I got the cutters right there. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm gonna put this in this video too. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the broken oil pressure sensor. Well, I got all this room right here, so we might as well get that out right now. Alright, that's the new one and the broken one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in. Alright, it calls for 15 foot-pounds also on this bad boy. My kids want to make noise so bad. They know I'm out here trying to do this.
You better not drop that.
Alright. Well, I kind of moved a little bit. What the heck? Okay. 15 foot-pounds. Alright guys, we're about ready. Strap the intake on. Alright, time to get the intake on. Let me pull this tape out real quick. Oh man, it got sticky that quick. Hold on guys, it's gonna take a second. Let me get this tape off. Guys, I forgot the gaskets. Let me go get the gaskets for the intake. Alright guys, made it back from the parts store that fast and we got the new gaskets. I can't believe I forgot that. I knew I was forgetting something. So these clip onto the intake. So let's see here. So this is gonna be that side. Looks like this is gonna be that side. So let's pop her on there. Ooh, a little slippery there. Woke up this morning, I should have bought a Chevrolet. I did buy a Chevrolet. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time putting these on here. But hey, man, that's how you learn, guys. You gotta try, do something. So that's how it goes. Clips on, clips on. I think that's all the clips. Got all our bolts lined up. I forgot what the torque is on this, but we'll figure that out in a second. And I'll put the other side on. That way? No, it's this way. Be better if I wasn't doing this like this, but we'll get it. That's gonna go right there. That's gonna go right there. Make sure that's going through. Alright. Look good to you guys? Look good to you, brother?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, silky smooth gang. Let's set this boy in there. Should be lined up pretty good. I knew this cord was gonna be in the way. I knew I should have unplugged it. Come on. Hold on, y'all. Alright, that should be a little better. Got my sign up higher where y'all can see. We don't need that stuff no more. Not right now. Alright. This needs to be out the way. See. I ain't sure though. It ain't lined up. What's holding it? There we go. There's something in the way. We gotta make sure. We're gonna make sure before we tighten it down, guys. Make sure we're not on any wires or anything. But let's see. It looks like we're lined up right there. Let me see if we can get one started. Alright, looks like we lined up, guys. So I'm gonna get ready to tighten all these down. I'm gonna double check and triple check, make sure ain't no wires up under it. And on to the next. On to the next. Right, brother? Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Alright guys, new gaskets in and everything is tightened up. Now we just got to work on the intake. We'll get the intake back on there, and then we got to rewire the injectors and start hiding some of these wires. That's probably what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna probably do that off camera. We'll get the intake and stuff on, and yeah, we'll see after that. Woo, man, I got the injectors plugged back up, and I had a problem. So this plug right here, I got this off of the old one because the new one didn't have this for the fuel regulator. So I had to permanently glue that on. I'm waiting on it to dry before I can plug that up. That's what took me so long to turn y'all back on. I'm gonna finish plugging up my top end wires, and I still got to put the intake on. I know y'all can't see it right now, but I still got to put the intake on. Alright guys, I'm super tired. It's super late. We got everything back in place. It was a couple of things that was a little bit different on this intake, because this intake was a little bit newer, but I think we got them situated. So I think that's gonna be the end of this video. Oh yeah, well, let me show y'all. It's kind of dark, so hopefully the light can see. But I showed y'all that plug I had to redo over there that controls the regulator, and then you see this right here. So on the newer version, it's the plastic piece coming out. The old school version is coming out right here. We're gonna plug that off for now until I get a new throttle body. Injectors all plugged back up, radiator, throttle body plugged back up, everything's plugged back up. So yeah, I think this is a good stopping point. So guess what, y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.